Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure RapidMiner for data science, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and visit the RapidMiner website. Locate the download section on the home page. Select the appropriate version of RapidMiner for your operating system. Download the installer file. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install RapidMiner on your computer. Launch RapidMiner after the installation is complete. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Create a new account or sign in if you already have an existing account. After logging in, navigate to the Workspace dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout, including the toolbar, workspace area, and project navigator. To start a new project, click on the New Process button. You will be directed to a blank canvas for your data science project. Import your dataset by clicking on the Import Data button in the toolbar. Choose the appropriate method for importing your data, such as from a local file, database, or web service. Once the data is imported, you will see a preview of your dataset. Review the data to ensure it has been imported correctly. If necessary, clean your data by using various data transformation operators available in the palette. Drag and drop the desired operators onto the canvas to perform operations like filtering or aggregating your data. Connect the operators by drawing arrows between them to create a workflow. Once your data is prepared, select a modeling technique suitable for your analysis. Use the operators palette to find machine learning algorithms or statistical models. Drag the chosen model onto the canvas and connect it to your data preparation operators. Configure the model's parameters by double-clicking on the model icon. Run your process by clicking the Run button in the toolbar. After the process completes, examine the results displayed in the results view. Analyze the outputs, such as model performance metrics or visualizations, to understand your findings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.